video I'm showing you how to make pickled eggs. So easy and only a few ingredients needed. So you're going to get your eggs and you're going to boil them for 8 minutes. Just a little tip, once the eggs are boiled, drain and put in cold water, crack each one and let them sit for 5 minutes, and they're so much easier to peel. So for your brine you'll need 1.5 cups of white vinegar, a handful of mustard seeds and a few peppercorns, a tablespoon of salt and a cup of sugar. I like mine sweet. You could certainly put less in if you'd like. Now you're going to just put it on the stove till the sugar dissolves. Then you got your brine. I'm also adding some rosemary and curry leaves to mine just to make it look a bit more appealing. Pour in your brine into the eggs and voila, you have pickled eggs. Let them sit in the fridge for a while and there you go. Why don't you pickle some veggies too? Cheers. Thanks for watching.